Toyota's been getting a lot of flack lately for being slow to the game with electric vehicles. But fear not, because the Japanese car group is fighting back with an ambitious plan that envisions EVs with over 600 miles of range from 2026 and around 900 miles on a single charge after 2028. That's right, you heard it here first. According to Automotive News, the first of the next-generation EVs will debut in 2026 as a Lexus, using a next-gen lithium-ion battery that offers over 600 miles of driving range on a single charge. The next step, slated for 2026 to 2027, involves a bipolar lithium iron phosphate battery that can reduce costs by 40% compared to the previous iteration, while an advanced bipolar lithium iron battery with 10% more range is scheduled to go into production in 2027 to 2028. Toyota estimates that it will churn out around 1.7 million EVs based on the newly developed, purpose-built architecture by 2030, which will benefit from solid-state batteries starting in 2027. You heard that right, solid-state batteries. These babies can increase range by 20% over its next-gen lithium-ion packs, while an advanced solid-state battery that's scheduled to make an appearance after 2028 will be able to boost range by 50%, resulting in over 900 miles of zero-emissions driving. But wait, there's more. Toyota wants to deploy giga casting technologies to simplify and accelerate vehicle production, taking inspiration from Tesla's giga presses. And get this, they're aiming to develop ultra-aerodynamic designs with a drag coefficient under 0.20 in the next 2 to 3 years. Talk about futuristic. Toyota's top executives just laid out this multi-point plan for the first time this month at the company's Higashi-Fuji Technical Center under the theme, "Let's Change the Future of Cars." And they want you to know that despite what you may have heard, Toyota has both the technology and the production system needed to deliver industry-leading EVs starting in 2026. Toyota has been playing catch-up in the EV space for some time now, but the company has recently unveiled plans for an all-new electric SUV set to launch in 2025. This upcoming vehicle will be the EV version of the Toyota Highlander and will be launched globally. It's a surprising move from Toyota, considering the company's reservations about fully embracing an all-electric future. The new SUV will be manufactured at the Toyota Motor Manufacturing Kentucky facility, which currently produces models like the Toyota Camry, Toyota RAV4, and Lexus ES. The batteries for this three-row electric SUV will be manufactured at a new battery production plant in North Carolina, which is part of Toyota's larger investment of $5.9 billion in the region. The North Carolina battery production plant will be a central hub for Toyota's expanding lineup of electrified vehicles, housing a total of 6 battery production lines by 2025. 4 of these lines will be dedicated to producing batteries for hybrid vehicles, while the remaining 2 will specifically manufacture batteries for electric vehicles. Although specific details about the design and appearance of the upcoming Toyota three-row electric SUV remain undisclosed, Toyota did showcase the BZ large SUV concept as part of its display of 16 diverse all-electric concept cars in late 2021. The new SUV, along with its batteries, will be eligible for a $7,500 tax credit in the U.S. market, which is an incentive for electric vehicle buyers. This move signifies Toyota's commitment to the U.S. market and the region's electrification goals. Toyota's upcoming electric SUV marks a significant shift for the company, which has been hesitant to embrace an all-electric future. The new vehicle, along with Toyota's investment in battery production, demonstrates the company's commitment to expanding its lineup of electrified vehicles. With the upcoming SUV set to launch globally, it will be interesting to see how Toyota's electrification efforts will unfold in the years to come. Although it's not yet clear what the production version of Toyota's three-row electric SUV will look like, the concept vehicle provides a glimpse into the company's electric SUV design direction. While details about the new models are not yet extensively available, they will reportedly be developed using 3 new platforms, one for the body and chassis, one for the electronics, and one for the software. The goal behind these platforms is to create a rational structure specific to battery electric vehicles, BEVs, and to achieve mobility through innovative vehicle packaging. If the Highlander EV takes inspiration from the BZ large SUV concept, it could feature a boxy shape that combines a spacious interior with a rugged and bold exterior appearance. Sleek LED headlights and tail lights are also a possibility, as these are commonly found in modern vehicle designs and contribute to a more futuristic and distinctive look. Additionally, the front of the Highlander EV is likely to prominently display the Toyota logo, emphasizing the brand's identity and familiarity. In terms of features, the Highlander EV is expected to come equipped with various standard infotainment features to enhance the overall driving experience, such as Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free calling and audio streaming, satellite navigation for easy and accurate route guidance, and AM, FM, and DAB radio for access to a wide range of radio stations. It may also feature a 6-speaker audio system for an immersive sound experience and voice recognition technology for convenient control of various functions. Toyota aims to prioritize practicality with the Highlander EV, offering ease of access to and from the 3 rows of seating, making it convenient for passengers to enter and exit the vehicle. Additionally, the company aims to provide ample storage space, particularly in the first and second rows, allowing occupants to stow their belongings conveniently. To facilitate this shift towards EVs, Toyota will establish a new division known as the BEV factory. This division will likely play a crucial role in the development, production, and assembly of the new electric models, as well as potentially advancing battery technology and other related components. Overall, Toyota's plans for its electric SUV lineup seem to prioritize functionality, practicality, and innovation, with a focus on enhancing the overall driving experience for its customers. Toyota's upcoming Highlander EV is expected to be a top contender in the electric SUV market, following the success of the 2022 hybrid version. The Highlander Hybrid has been a popular choice for buyers looking for a practical and spacious family SUV, and Toyota is hoping to replicate that success with the Highlander EV. According to reports, the Highlander EV will be built on new platforms for the chassis, electric system, and software. This optimization is expected to result in an efficient and well-equipped electric SUV. Taking inspiration from Toyota's BZ large SUV, the Highlander EV is expected to have a boxy and rugged exterior design, combined with a spacious and comfortable interior. LED headlights and taillights will be integrated to create a modern and unique look. The interior of the Highlander EV is expected to be packed with convenience features, including Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free calling and wireless music streaming, satellite navigation for easy and accurate routing, and AM, FM, and DAB radio for access to a variety of radio stations. A 6-speaker sound system will also be integrated to provide a lively audio experience, and voice recognition technology will be included for convenient control of various functions. Toyota is also placing a strong emphasis on practicality with the Highlander EV, with easy ingress and egress and ample storage space, especially in the first and second rows. To meet the growing trend towards electric vehicles, Toyota will also establish a new BEV factory to play a critical role in the development, production, and assembly of its new electric models. Overall, the Highlander EV is expected to be an attractive option for electric SUV buyers, with a combination of features, convenience, and innovation in its design. However, in a competitive market that includes notable competitors like the Kia EV9 and Ion 7, Toyota will need to continue to innovate and differentiate itself to stand out. With Toyota's commitment to electric vehicle development and its focus on practicality and convenience, the Highlander EV is poised for success. As the automotive industry continues to shift towards electric vehicles, we can expect to see more exciting and practical electric models in the future. As always, we'd like to know what you think about this, so head over to the comments section below to give us your thoughts.